Joshua! Cartoon World!
In a cheerful town painted in colors and laughter stood a small cafe with a big heart.
This was Café, once famous for magical chocolate pastries.
Why doesn't it taste like Grandma's anymore? Why doesn't it taste like Grandma's anymore?
We'll figure it out, Coco.
Maybe there's something we missed. Grandma's recipe book. Oh ho! Oh ho! Smells like an adventure brewing. Why is it empty? Invisible ink. Classic.
Maybe it means something more than words, Coco.
Then we make our own magic. Milo! Oh, that's too much. Incoming magic. Okay, that's new.
1, 2, 3, S-I-N-G.
Coco, the spoons are singing.
Just a magical accident. Come in, come in. Welcome, everyone. Come in, come in.
Please take them.
Please try them. Wow, this is amazing. Everything looks so delicious.
Look over there.
Delicious. Oh. Delicious. Still not like Grandma's. I tried everything. I tried everything.
Grandma said, food tastes best when shared with love.
The recipe was never lost.
Grandma. Grandma.
You found it when you shared it. She'd be so proud.
Look how cute Milo is. He loves getting his belly rubbed. I wish we could take him home. Don't be shy. Hit the subscribe button. It's totally free.
Welcome to Café Luluna.
It feels like Rosa is still here.
This croissant melts in your mouth. Wow, the fruit tart is heavenly. And so, Café Luluna shone brighter than ever.
Oh, hello there.
Her love is still baking with us. Still baking with us. The sweetest recipe is love shared around the table.
Hi, friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.